Thank you for attending your MIAM with Direct Mediation Services. This video is to explain what is going to happen in the next 45 minutes to an hour. You may feel apprehensive about the meeting today, and this is totally natural, as it may be the first time you have spoken about the issues you and your family are facing. Your mediator will be sensitive to your needs, so if at any time during the MIAM you would like to have a break, please let them know. You have the assurance that your mediator is fully accredited by the Family Mediation Council and also holds membership to one of the regulatory organizations, such as the College of Mediators. Your meeting is confidential and only you and the mediator will be present. If you are doing your MIAM online, we would ask that you are alone in the room and that no one can overhear you, so you feel able to talk freely. During the MIAM, the mediator will ask you many questions. Please give as much information as you can, because what you say will help the mediator assess whether your case is suitable for family mediation. By just attending a MIAM, it is important to understand that it does not guarantee that your case will progress to mediation. All the information you give will be treated with the strictest of confidence, and we will not pass this on to any third parties, such as your ex-partner. The only time a mediator will break this confidence is when there is a safeguarding issue or if there is an admission to criminal activity, such as money laundering. Your MIAM is an opportunity for you to learn more about the process of family mediation. Here is some basic information about what mediators can and cannot do. If you have any questions, please ask the mediator to pause the video and they will answer them. The first thing to remember is that your mediator is not a relationship counselor, neither will they try to reconcile you and your ex-partner. Mediation is for people who have decided that their relationship as a couple is over and want to move on to try and sort out child and financial arrangements. Your mediator may refer you to external agencies, but before doing that, they would speak to you about it in detail to ensure it would benefit your situation. Don't forget that family mediation is not legally binding, so we always encourage you to get independent legal advice. You may also get proposals agreed in mediation made into a legally binding agreement by your lawyer. Mediators cannot give you legal advice at any point. They can only give you legal information, such as direct you to websites. If you need support with finding a family solicitor or getting legal advice, please ask your mediator or email our main office and we will send you a list of solicitors in your area. As already mentioned, the information you give is treated confidentially. We have a basic rule: what is said in the mediation room stays in the mediation room. That means keeping off social media. You also cannot call your mediator to court to give evidence. Just a few more things to note down. All mediators are impartial, which means that they do not take sides. They are there to help you and your ex sort out the issues you face without going to court. Mediation is only for you and your ex-partner. We ask that new partners or other relatives do not attend. They are welcome to bring you, but we would ask that they stay outside the building during the mediation session. In mediation, we ask you and your ex-partner to focus on the future. It may seem like a cliché, but you cannot change the past, but you can decide on your future. If you are going to discuss finances in future sessions, we will email you with a financial mediation pack. We ask that you complete this and bring it with you, with any accompanying documents to your first mediation session. If you don't, this may slow down the mediation process. Also remember, you have a duty to disclose all your financial assets to your ex-partner, even those offshore accounts in the Cayman Islands. If you can try, please bring 3 copies of all documents, one for you, one for your ex, and one for the mediator. There are ground rules when you attend mediation. Most of them are common sense, such as being polite and not talking over people. All of these are listed in the agreement to mediate, which can be found on our website under the Policies section. If you want help finding this document, email our office or ask your mediator. And finally, mediation is your own responsibility. All we ask is that if you cannot attend or you decide to stop attending mediation, give our office a call, a minimum of 72 hours ahead of your appointment. If you are privately funded and do not attend, you may still be charged. That's it for now. Your mediator will take over and conclude your MIAM. Direct Mediation Services and our staff wish you and your family all the very best for the future.